Hello viewers and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to change the rear exterior door handle on a Nissan Xtrail. The items you are going to need are a screwdriver with a Phillips head. You're going to need a ratchet handle. You're going to need a 10mm socket. You're perhaps going to need an extension to go along with it as well. And you need a small screwdriver. So these are the items that you'll require in order to remove the door handle. There are some components that needs to be removed in order for us to get access to the 10mm bolts so that we can first remove the door panel. So the screwdriver is to remove. This is the first portion, and there you will see a 10mm bolt, and you're going to use the ratchet handle to pull this bolt. So this is one of the first thing that you need to do. Next, we have this panel right here that also needs to be removed. You get your screwdriver and you gently remove the panel. Then on the inside you're gonna find some bolts, two bolts, one here and the next one is right here. So I'm going to use the socket once again to remove those bolts. So these are the two bolts that are removed from the lower section of the door panel. Next, we are going to remove this accessory from the door panel so that the door panel can be easily removed. Next, you're going to remove the door panel, and you simply do that by prying the different sections of the panel to simply lift up, and you remove the door panel. There are some connections that you also need to have removed. Press the tab, pull down and release. Next, you're going to pull these three screws to release the door handle. So we have 1, 2, and 3 right there. Now we have the door handle removed, so we can set that aside. Now the next thing that we need to do in order to get access to the bolt, right? Unlike the front door that has a gamut rubber right here, the back door doesn't carry any. So when you remove the gamut rubber, you can actually see the bolt on the inside. You'll have to remove that bolt in order to be able to remove a door handle. So since there's none on the back door, what we'll have to do instead, we need to get our torque 30 socket here, and we have to remove the lock assembly in order to get access to the bolt in order to remove the door handle. So once the bolts have been removed, what we need to do now is to push away the assembly and get it out of the way. One of the ways in which we can assist is by coming through the door panel here and pulling the assembly away. And if you look on the inside, perhaps you'll be able to see the bolt that holds the door handle. We're going to remove that, and once you remove that, the door handle can be removed from the door. So we are now unlocking the bolt, and once that is fully removed, we'll go around and remove the door handle. So here we go, after which we simply slide and we remove the door handle. So in order to reinstall, we simply do the opposite. The larger portion will go in first, so you slide it in, slide forward, and then the small portion you're going to reinsert, go around and tighten up. So basically that is how you replace a door handle on a 2009 Nissan Xtrail.